Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night again and again just to go to the bathroom? For many older adults, this is one of the most frustrating problems. You want peaceful sleep, but instead you keep getting up to pee. Today, I'm going to share with you a natural secret that many people don't know. It's not a pill, it's not an expensive treatment. It's actually a nut that can help you sleep through the night without running to the bathroom. Stay with me until the end, because this might be the simplest change you make for your health. As we age, our bladder becomes weaker. For men, the prostate can get enlarged. For women, the muscles around the bladder lose strength. The result? Nighttime urination, also called nocturia. It might feel harmless, but waking up 3, 4, or even 5 times at night can ruin your sleep, increase fatigue, and raise your risk of falls. Doctors often prescribe medications, but what if there was a natural way to support your bladder health? Here's where the surprising solution comes in: nuts. Yes, certain nuts contain powerful nutrients that directly support your bladder, kidneys, and prostate. The best example? Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium and zinc. Magnesium relaxes the bladder muscles so they don't spasm at night. Zinc supports prostate health in men and hormone balance in women. Several studies have shown that pumpkin seed extract can reduce nighttime bathroom trips and improve urinary control. So, when I say, eat this nut and stop peeing at night, pumpkin seeds are exactly what I mean. Let's break it down. Zinc helps reduce prostate enlargement, one of the leading causes of nighttime urination in men. Magnesium relaxes the bladder wall, preventing sudden urges. Antioxidants fight inflammation in the urinary tract. By eating just a handful of pumpkin seeds in the evening, you give your body the tools it needs to hold urine comfortably through the night. Pumpkin seeds are number one, but let's not stop there. 1. Almonds. Packed with magnesium, they calm nerves and muscles, reducing bladder spasms. Plus, almonds keep blood sugar stable, which prevents excess urine production. 2. Walnuts. They contain omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and improve sleep quality. A calmer body equals fewer night trips. 3. Pistachios. These support heart health and circulation, indirectly helping kidney and bladder function. So, adding a mix of nuts into your diet, especially pumpkin seeds, can make a real difference. Let me share a story. Mr. Johnson, a 72-year-old from Texas, told me he used to wake up 5 times every night. He felt exhausted every morning. His doctor suggested medication, but he wanted something natural. He started eating a small handful of pumpkin seeds every evening around 7 p.m. Within 3 weeks, he noticed he was only waking up once. A month later, sometimes not at all, he said, "It felt like I got my nights back." This is the power of simple foods when we use them correctly. If you want to try this at home, here's how. Eat a handful of pumpkin seeds, about 1 ounce or 28 grams in the evening, but not right before bed. Combine with a few almonds or walnuts for added benefits. Avoid drinking large amounts of water 2 hours before sleep. Reduce caffeine and alcohol in the evening. They irritate the bladder. Unlike medications, nuts don't just cover up the symptoms. They strengthen your bladder, improve prostate health, and calm inflammation. Plus, they're safe, natural, and delicious. Now remember, eating nuts is powerful, but it works best with healthy lifestyle habits. Keep your body active with light walking or stretching. Maintain a healthy weight to reduce pressure on your bladder. Eat balanced meals with vegetables, fiber, and nuts. Together, these small steps can transform your nights. So, if you're tired of running to the bathroom every night, start small. Add pumpkin seeds, almonds, and walnuts into your evening routine. It's one of the simplest, healthiest ways to say goodbye to nighttime bathroom trips and hello to peaceful, deep sleep. Remember, eat this nut and stop being at night. Your body will thank you and your nights will finally be yours again.